So variable is the storage location in a memory which can use to hold the values such as number, strings, object, etc. So the variable is the storage location which can use to hold the values such as number, strings and object, and it can keep changing. So for example, suppose we need to write a code for adding two number. So to add two number, first we need to read the number. So first we need to read that number and need to store in a memory. So to store the number we need to declare variables. So every programming language has its own syntax to declare variable, and PHP has its own syntax. In PHP we use the dollar symbol to declare the variable, and after the dollar symbol we need to write the valid variable name. So for example, first we need to open the PHP bracket, then we need to declare the variable, say num1, to store the value first number. So then we need to declare the number, the variable number 2. While declaring the variable, first we need to write the dollar symbol, then followed by the variable name, then the semicolon. So similarly we can declare the variable 2 by using dollar sign followed by the variable name and the semicolon. So and then to store the sum we need to declare the third variable by using dollar symbol and variable name. So while declaring the variable three variable while declaring the three variable in a memory, the system create the three location like this. So this three location is known as the variable. So the variable is the storage location in a memory. Say this storage location is known as the num1, this storage location is known as the num2, and this storage location is known as num3. So this is the declaration part. While declaring the variable, the system or a compiler create the three storage location. So after declaring the variable, then we need to assign the value. To assign the value to a variable, we simply use this assignment operator. So we are assigning the 5 value to the num1, then we are assigning the 6 to the num2. So after assigning the value, then this storage location contain the value 5, 6. Then we are going to perform the addition operation. To perform the addition operation on num1 and num2, we simply use this arithmetic operator known as addition. So after using this statement, we can simply perform the addition operation. So after performing the addition operation, the value of variable num1 and num2, after addition it will store on the variable sum. So this is the storage location in the memory for the sum. Then the value of num1 num2, the store in the after addition store and will store on the memory location sum. So after that we need to, then we are going to print the value of sum by using the, sorry, there is no, so we don't need to write this dollar sign, we simply need to write the echo sum equals to this dot and sum. So there is a mistake, we don't need to write this dollar sign on echo statement. So after that we need to close the PHP bracket. So this is the how we can declare the variable. So variable is nothing but a storage location in a memory which can use to hold the values. To use the variable, first we need to declare it and then we need to perform the assignment. Here we are performing the compile time assignment, we are going to learn how to do the runtime assignment and others, and the scopes of variables we are going to learn in our upcoming videos. So in our next video I am going to do the demonstration and performing the live coding for assigning and declaration of variable. Thank you. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to comment your doubt, and please like the video. Thank you so much.